Back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can check whether UNEB has registered you to sit for the examinations. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend, and in case you get any problem, let me know in the comment section, and that is it. So first and foremost, we're going to open Google Chrome, and once you open Google Chrome, you're going to go to your search bar and then type in UNEB registration status. Then after you go, and then you're going to come to this first website, and then after you're going to come and enter your index number. For example, you can put in 008-145/128 for those in primary schools, or for 001. You can put in your index number. They'll be bringing you'll be checking whether you are registered. For those in secondary but O level, you're going to put in your index number, which starts with U and then your digits. Then you can put in 011, your index number, and then press search. You'll be bringing if you are in A level, you can also check and then press start. They'll be bringing. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maru's Tech, and I sign out.